forest waterfall in Antalya.
Anneciğim senlik bir şey yok ya hocam.
We visited the Duden waterfall. Now it is the forest waterfall. It's inside the jungle. What our guide just told us that every year 25 million people or visitors come to Antalya for various reasons. Of course, first reason is tourism because of the climate conditions, and there are other tourisms like health tourism where people from US and Europe especially come to Antalya for the specialized doctors that here you will find for heart related problems, resolving heart related problems, and the ENT kind of things, doing the nose job, doing the dental implants, for hair treatment, implants, all the stuff. Beautiful, beautiful little forest. Will they come back? I'll turn. Apparently there is another little waterfall that is available here, so I'm gonna go quickly, go there and see it, come back. Yeah.
लिखा तो है नहीं अभी गेजी योलो केमिस्ट्री
There.